Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Farmers Africa. If you are planning to start rabbit farming, one of the first things you will need is proper housing for your rabbits. Many beginners think they need a lot of money to build rabbit cages, but that's not true. With simple materials and little creativity, you can build a strong, comfortable, and low-cost rabbit cage right at home. In today's video, I will show you the basic of building an affordable rabbit cage and the key things everyone must consider. Let's get started. So firstly, you can ask yourself why good rabbit cage is important. A rabbit cage is more than just a place where rabbits stay. Good housing protects rabbits from rain, excessive heat, predators, and diseases. A well-designed cage also makes feeding, cleaning, and monitoring your rabbit much easier. Remember, healthy rabbits need a clean and comfortable environment. Let's see the materials that you will need to use. The good news is that you don't need expensive materials. Many farmers build rabbit cages using local available resources. Some common materials include wooden planks or timber, wire mesh, nails, hammer, measuring tape, and roofing materials such as iron sheet or plastic sheet. The materials you choose should be durable, affordable, and easier to maintain. How choosing the right location? Before building your cage, select a suitable location. The area should be dry, well ventilated, and protected from direct sunlight and heavy rain. Avoid placing rabbit cages in the areas that flood during the rain season. Good airflow helps reduce disease risks and keeps rabbits comfortable. So building the cage frame, start by constructing a strong frame using timber or wooden poles. The cage should be raised above the ground. So keeping the cage elevated helps improve hygiene and prevent moisture from accumulating underneath. It also protects a rabbit from predators such as rats, snakes, and dogs. So how to install the wire mesh? Once the frame is complete, attach wire mesh to the sides of the flower. Wire mesh allows rabbit waste to fall through, making cleaning easier. However, make sure the mesh openings are not too large, as this may injure the rabbit's feet. Proper flooring is important for rabbit health and comfort. How can you provide enough space? One common mistake beginners make is overcrowding rabbits. Each rabbit should have enough space to move comfortably, eat, drink, and rest. Overcrowding can lead to stress, injuries, and the spread of diseases. So always plan your cage size accordingly to the number of rabbits you intend to keep. So how to install the feeders and the water container. Every rabbit cage should have easy access to food and clean water. You can use simple feeders and water containers made from affordable materials. Make sure water is always available because rabbits need constant access to clean drinking water. Add a roof. How? The cage should have a roof to protect rabbits from rain and excessive sunlight. A simple roof made from iron sheet, plastic sheet, or other suitable material can work well. The goal is to keep inside the cage dry and comfortable throughout the year. So how can you make cleaning easier by this type of housing? So a clean cage is one of the best ways to prevent diseases. When designing your rabbit cages, think about how you will remove waste and clean the structure regularly. The easier is to clean, the healthier your rabbit will be. So common mistakes to avoid. Avoiding building cages directly on the ground. Avoid overcrowding rabbits. Avoid poor ventilation. Avoid weak construction material that can break easily. And never regret regular cleaning and maintenance. As a conclusion, building a low-cost rabbit cage at home is easier than many people think. With simple materials, proper planning, and attention to hygiene, you can create a safe and comfortable environment for your rabbit without spending a lot of money. A good rabbit cage is an investment that supports healthy growth, better productivity, and long-term success in rabbit farming. Thank you for watching Smart Farmers Africa. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more rabbit farming tips, practical farming guides, and agriculture opportunities across Africa. See you in the next video.